You see all this fucking shit flying around? You okay? Can you stop making so much noise? Damn, bro. Act like we haven't done this for like a billion times.
Sorry, Dad.
Yeah, that's what I thought. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another Busta-Bust or Nahhh. It's been a minute, a very long-ass minute if you ask me. I really miss doing this, to be honest. We've been just really busy working on Icon, and I've been really busy working on my mixtape, making sure that that's actually going well. Also, I've been planning on going and setting up my tour for the summer, and I'm shooting a movie over the summer, so I've been really preparing all my stuff for that. As of now, we kind of did something kind of cool. We made our first big boy purchase, ain't that right, boy? Chad. Yeah, you already know, we back at it again. Drum roll, please. I'm just kidding, fuck you. So, so we bought a iMac Pro, and I just wanted to unbox it in front of you guys and just show you guys this awesome milestone that we've actually achieved, and I think it's something special, and I really wanted to share it with you guys because, you know, because of you guys that we're here, because of you guys that are using our affiliate links and whatnot. And before we start unboxing, make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, mainly Instagram, because that's where we're always popping. You already know. That's where we're going to be doing all the stuff, like giveaways and whatnot in the future when we're rich as hell. You already know. All right, let's get it. Oh my God, this is so fucking heavy. Oh, hey. So yeah, I don't know how y'all are gonna be able to see everything, but yeah, we're about to unbox this. Oh yeah, I don't have the feng shui anymore. I lost it, bro. What, no comment? Chad, you're silent as hell today.
Probably can't hear me.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Can you?
That's a great unboxing.
Yo, you wanna like make it wider so they can see it? Cause they can't really see me right now. That's zooming in. Keep going. Is that as far as we can go?
Yep.
That's crazy, bro.
Bro, look at our great framing.
Oh, don't worry, bro. God damn, this is so heavy.
Bro, the thing here. Bro, look.
Oh, it just kind of like folds out. Okay, never mind. I'm doing a shitty ass job.
Here, let me help you.
Oh.
That's nice, except for.
Busta-Bust. Let's return it right now. That's trash. Hey, honestly, this was like my favorite part of the unboxing. Oh, that's glued in. I can't use this for fucking foam in the studio. That was gay.
Bro, that's a yoga mat.
Hell yeah, it is. Listen, bro, you want to hold this up while I slide this thing out? You know, get in the action for the unboxing, because I can't do shit. Oh, the back is cool. Hey, show him the back.
Wow, that looks like an iMac Pro.
Yeah, bro, looks like my dick. Yeah, here we go. Looks very nice. So I'm gonna have to like do this unboxing like a little different than what we normally do. Here we go with the little tab up top. Boom, boom. Got a little bit of styrofoam. Got this Busta-Bust. I don't know what this could be. Probably the keyboard.
What are you doing?
I'm sliding this open. Damn, does everything just fucking open like that? That's so dope. That's pretty fucking dope. Do I just gotta like unbox it from like your perspective? This is the shittiest unboxing I've ever done in my life.
Bro, don't drop it like Linus did.
I'm not an idiot. Okay, I'm maybe like a little bit of an idiot.
What are you doing?
Trying to fucking lift it out. There we go.
You gonna let it lean like that? Oh.
This bro.
This is a great unboxing.
Facts.
Did you do this often?
Alright, bro. Time for me to go. Bye, Dad.
Alright, see ya.
Back to my normal Busta-Bust or Nahhh. Hey, you wanna reset the pans and the looking down, then you got the microphone. That's where I spit my hot bars. So here we go, guys.
What are you doing?
Oh yeah. So it comes with jump ropes, I guess. This is for you, bro. It's a jump rope.
You calling me fat?
Yeah, Fat ass, you American. Here on the back, you got like a little, I don't know what.
Bro, you could just spin it around.
Maybe I want to be selfish. So here on the back, you got a little thingy. I'm gonna leave that on there. On here, you just like rip that open because it really doesn't matter. I'll open it towards you guys so you guys see it because you guys are the fans. You know what I'm saying? Y'all deserve to see this before I even see it. Oh. How does that look? Does it look fire? Oh, it looks shitty? Damn. Damn, they got hella plastic wrap up in this. Dude, this thing is like fucking phenomenal. Like it's like, it looks so shiny and so matte blacky.
Yeah, it's called Space Gray.
Like I'm afraid to like touch it, bro. Like I don't think my immigrant hands deserve to be on here, to be honest. Like my dirty brown hands that like literally touch all this greasy ass food. Nah, bro, I can't touch this shit. This is like machine grade aluminum. Yeah, nah, bro, I can't touch this shit. This shit's hot. It's a new thing. Oh, look, here's a mic up top. That's kind of cool. All right, how does that look now? Does that look awesome? Wow, this is awesome. This is the coolest unboxing ever. Here's the back of it. Probably can't see because of the glare. There we go, nothing crazy.
We're gonna take the sticker off the Apple.
I will. I'm doing it for them. I gotta like. Oh shit, I can't see shit. There we go. You're welcome. Apple, how do I open this?
One eternity later.
Oh.
Pretty good drop pitch.
Damn, this is hot. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. That's hot, bro. This is thin as hell. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Just like that. It's like, bro.
Wait, where's the magic mouse?
We don't need a magic mouse. What are we, fucking losers? Oh, look at this black lightning. This is the only way you can get a black lightning cable. Officially from Apple, not some Busta-Bust fake shit that you can get from fucking China. I mean, this is technically from China, because, you know, Shanghai gang in this bitch. And, that's it. What is this? It better be stickers, because I'm not reading other shit. I'm not reading other shit. What's this black thing? Oh, they give you a little cloth. That's hot. That's nice. That's very nice. Thank you, Apple. I appreciate it. And it's like blackish space gray. Appreciate that. I really do. For the rest of this shit. Oh, yeah. Never mind. Here we go. Matte black Apple stickers. The only reason we bought this was for this. Yeah.
Yeah, the rest of it's trash.
The rest of it's completely trash, man. Let's open this keyboard. Open it, yes. Unphone them, shall we? Damn, this is like the size of my dick. So, Shawty, you want to see my numeric pad? Dude, this is so thin, bro. Like, I don't know if y'all can see this. Like, this is like, I don't even know what it is, bro. It's like a Hershey's fucking bar. You know what I'm talking about? How them suckers are so thin all the time? I always break it when I'm like picking it up from the packaging. I haven't even opened it. Wow, dude. Call me Chad. Oh, I'm editing. Or is it Magic Pop? Oh, hell yeah, bro. This feels like, I don't even know. It feels like a booklet. Like a premium booklet. Honestly, I'm pissed that I get to do this unboxing and you don't. But then again, you get to use it for like ever. So deal with it.
Bro, it's like a phone, the trackpad.
Hell yeah, it is. This is the new iPhone 11. Hey, what's up, bro? Yeah. Send them nudes. Yeah, it feels cool. All right, look, call me Chad. How you feel, bro?
Job, bro.
Fire?
Always.
It looks fire, bro. Get the desk, you get the Beats. You got the headphone stand, you got the trackpad and the keyboard and the wireless charger and the iMac Pro. Yeah, I swear to God, if you ever complain about editing again, I'm gonna be very frustrated.
Face reveal.
Face reveal. Back at the studio. I just wanted to say thanks again one more time. I appreciate all of our subscribers, all of our fans. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here. Without everyone at Icon, without everybody at everywhere actually. Without all the followers and subscribers that I have for my music channel, from Icon Visuals, for Icon Music, I just really want to say I appreciate you guys, and this one's for you. If you guys want to see what we've been really working on lately, head over to Icon Visuals. The link will be down below. Over there, you'll actually see all the gear that we review and how we use that. And we got the Sony a7 III. We shot a couple music videos to that. We shot a couple music videos to the GH5. We shot commercials with the GH5 and the a7 III. We got the Ronin S. We got all that stuff. So if you guys want to actually see us use our equipment in action, please check out Icon Visuals. So hopefully we can get more videos done, more edits done, more music videos, and everything literally 10 times faster because of this. And if Chad literally complains ever again about editing and how his MacBook is so slow because we're editing in 4K, 10-bit, 60 frames, all I, and all that stuff, yeah, well, I'm gonna have to probably punch him in the face because there's nothing better than this. Yeah. Ain't that right, bro?
Yo.
This guy. All right. I'll catch you guys next time. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you guys like this. Comment down below if you guys already have one. Probably not. Check down below about what specs we got, because we got this baby specced out. It ain't the base model. We ain't no Busta-Bust broke boys. Gang of this beach. All right, brothers. Peace.